Hey there! Welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, I'm here, and today we're diving into something that's absolutely essential to any building project, the footing and foundation. Whether you're building your dream home, tackling a renovation, or just curious about what goes into making a structure stand strong, this video is for you. We'll break down everything you need to know, from the different types of footings and foundations to the key considerations in design and construction. Plus, we'll talk about common problems, how to avoid them, and what to think about when it comes to costs. So, stick around because by the end of this video, you'll have a solid foundation, pun intended, of knowledge on how the base of your building truly sets the stage for its safety and longevity. Ready to get started? Let's dig in. What is footing? The footing is the base structure of a building that transfers the load from the superstructure to the ground. It provides stability and prevents settling or tilting. What is foundation? The foundation is the part of the structure that directly contacts the earth and supports the load of the building. It includes the footing and the wall elements that connect the structure to the ground. The importance of this is that, footing and foundation are critical to the stability and longevity of any building. A poor foundation can lead to structural failures, cracks, and safety hazards.
Strip footing is a component of shallow foundation, which distributes the weight of a load-bearing wall across the area of the ground. It is also known as wall footing. This type of footing is commonly used as foundations of load-bearing walls where the soil is of good bearing capacity.
As the name suggests, a spread is given under the base of the foundation so that the load of the structure is distributed on a wide area of the soil in such a way that the safe bearing capacity of soil is not exceeded. Isolated footing. Other types of footings may be square, circular, or individually rectangular slab of uniform thickness provided under each column. The main purpose of using stepped footing is to keep the metal columns away from direct contact with soil to save them from corrosive effects. This type of footing is used to carry the load of metal columns and transmit this load to the below ground. When two or more columns are supported by a footing, it is called combined footing. This type of footing may be rectangular or trapezoidal in plan. Combined footing is provided under the following situations: when columns are close to each other and their individual footings overlap, soil having load-bearing capacity and requiring more area under the individual footing. The column end is situated near the property line and the footing cannot be extended. Mat footing or foundation covers the entire area under the structure. This footing and foundation has only RCC slab covering the whole area or slab and beam together. These types of footing are adopted when heavy structures are to be constructed on soft made-up ground or marshy sites with uncertain behavior. Mat footing is also known as raft foundation. Strap footing are the type of footing that the outer and inner column is connected by a strap beam and does not transfer any load to the soil. Slope footing are the types of footing having sloping top or side faces are known as sloped footings. They are useful in the construction of formwork. A pile foundation, a kind of deep foundation, can be defined as a slender column or long cylinder, made of materials such as concrete or steel which are used to support and bearing or skin friction. Key considerations. Number 1. Soil type and strength. The type soil at the construction site influences the type of footing and foundation needed. Examples are clay, sand and rock. Number 2. Load distribution. Understanding how the weight of the building is distributed across the structure helps in choosing the right foundation type. Number 3. Water table. A high water table can affect the design, especially in basements or underground foundations. Number 4. Frost line for colder climates. In areas with freezing conditions, foundations need to be below the frost line to prevent movement due to freeze-thaw cycles. Steps in constructing footings and foundations. Site preparations. Clearing the site and conducting soil tests. Site excavation. Digging trenches or pits to the required depth. Formwork and reinforcement. Setting up the mold and placing steel reinforcement bars to ensure strength. Concrete pouring. Concrete is poured into the formwork and left to cure, ensuring it achieves sufficient strength. Waterproofing. Foundations may need to be waterproofed, especially in areas prone to moisture or flooding. Common problems and solutions. Uneven settlement can occur due to poor soil compaction. Solutions include soil stabilization or using deep foundations like piles. Cracking caused by improper curing or excessive load. Solutions may involve using expansion joints or reinforcing the foundation. Water damage. Waterproofing or proper drainage systems can prevent water from infiltrating foundations. Cost consideration. Footing and foundation types vary in cost depending on the complexity and site conditions. For example, a slab-on grade might be cheaper than a full basement foundation but offers less space. Consider budget, location, and soil conditions when choosing the right foundation. So today, we already know the different types of footing and foundation, and the importance of choosing the right type of footing and foundation for our structures. We also discussed the cost consideration for choosing the best footing based on your budget. But I encourage all of you to consult with professionals when designing and building a foundation for your homes and projects. All right. That's a wrap on everything you need to know about footings and foundations. I hope this video gave you a solid understanding of how they play a huge role in any construction project. If you found this helpful, don't forget to hit that like button. Subscribe for more building tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Take care. And leave any questions or thoughts in the comments below. I'd love to hear from you.